one waiting.
Hello guys. Today we're gonna do SMC with Harry, our special guest. Harry's a professional at SMC, so I've invited him to go through some of the questions. Harry, get the tennis off. Wait.
But I'm the only one in here. You do realize that?
That's an easy fix. Let me just advertise this.
Bro, you're acting like you got a whole crowd of people who consistently come to your streams. Wait, what's your highest on the stream ever?
Like 30. Okay.
Oh, go to the math chat. That's it.
Wait, no. You're supposed to have chat up, not the stream up. You're supposed to have the chat up. Yeah.
Do I just not like sense spamming stuff?
Don't spam stuff. Just say like hi.
But I'll probably have my name on there, right?
There we go. Okay.
By Harry Shen. Yeah.
Oh shit. Wait, if I drop an N-bomb, am I gonna simultaneously get your channel taken down and myself expelled?
Yeah.
I'll send it onto the math thing as well. Do you have the math chat? Yeah.
No, you sent it to Harry.
Send it onto the math thing. Send it onto the math thing. Send it to the math thing as well. I don't have it.
You sent
I
it
don't
to
have
Harry.
it to stream on the math thing. Wait, I'll paste it.
Wait, where's steps up? Where's steps up?
Bro, who did the thumbnail? Fair enough.
Me. What? What do you mean fair enough?
Alright, I'll join your stream just to give you a view, but I'm muting it and like...
Fine. So project it on the screen. 4 steps. Yeah, we do.
Sure.
Wait, can I do some problems?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to be on the screen?
Oh, you watching now? I don't know who's the other one watching.
Cool. Get chat up.
Chat.
Show chat.
Okay.
Nice. Okay,
Should we start with the first question?
Let's actually just start doing the questions now.
The first question.
Q1 is hard.
Okay. 2020, that is 20 times 101. So, at the top, we got 20 times 101, and at the bottom is 20 times 20. So the two 20s cancels out.
People can't see your paper, by the way. So,
Right.
20 times 101.
Divide by 20 times 20.
Yeah.
The 20s cancel out.
They probably can't see this because it's blocked by.
Oh, since Harry Morgan's on the stream, I think we should do question 6 just for him. Because he was lamenting to me today about how he's gotten Q6 wrong on both the SMC and IMC last year.
Stepsog is watching, that's great.
So that's like it's watching. Let's go.
Harry, should we go over question 6?
Yeah. Wait. What did you? What was the next step?
The 20s cancel out.
Okay, 20s cancel out. Oops.
Watch, Harry Morgan's definitely going to say Q6.
So 101 divided by 20.
Actually,
5.05. Right.
very nice. Great.
Oh, Prince.
Is that Prince? Kong, can you handle chat? Can you, respond to
Remainder.
Can I handle chat?
Yeah.
I'm not even signed in on YouTube. Bro.
So for question 2, to find the remainder, we just want to consider the last 2 digits.
Okay.
So that's 4 times 8, which is 32. And the remainder, 32 divided by 5 would be 2. So the answer is C.
By the way, they probably can't see this because it's blocked by our faces.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Oh, 3 watching. Is Harry Morgan still the thing?
Kong, can you go to C2 to check that Harry Morgan's still watching?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Question 3.
Question 3. Surface area of the shape. So we have to consider the shape from 6 different angles. So from the top downwards, that's
Did you hear that? You have to consider
5. 5 from the top.
They can't see the question now.
Okay. And then 5 from below when we look at it. So that's another 5. And if we look from the left to right, this direction, we got 3. We got 3 in this direction.
Yeah, 3 in that direction.
And we have 4 directions. So that's times 4. So 3 times 4. That would be 22.
Great. And at the end, we will be checking the answers to make sure that we do in fact know what we're doing.
Do this question. I'll manage chat.
Yeah, okay. So we have that p equals to 2. That's very helpful because we already know, it already tells us that p equals to 2, you see. Now p times q equals to 20. So we know that p equals to 2, so that means 2 times q equals to 20. So for those in chat, if 2 times q equals to 20, then what is q?
Okay, we're going to do 25.
25. Yeah, we'll do 25 after this question. Harry-chan will do 25. So q equals to 10. And now what we can do is in order to get r, we can do p times q times r divided by p times q, like that. And this is 202 over 20, which is, what is 202 over 20? 10.1. So r equals to 10.1. And s equals to
what? Wait.
What?
Q equals to 10. Alright, yeah, fine. You're right.
What? And s is equal to p times q times r times s over p times q times r, which is 2020 over 202. And that equals to 10. So what do we have? We have p equals to 2, q equals to 10, r equals to 10.1, and s equals to 10. So I believe it should be 32.1. Okay, now someone in the chat has asked for question 25. Actually, the majority of the chat is asking for question 25.
Oh,
So yeah.
Should I?
Yeah.
I can't like
The stage is yours, Harry. Okay.
Fine, I
Okay.
can't know how to I can't fully.
Harry's too humble to right now to do question 25. He wants
I can't know.
he wants to give the opportunity to smaller content creators like me. Yeah. So a regular M gone, bro. You can literally watch the stream.
But can't solve it. Can't.
Yeah.
Wait, you want me to solve it? Oh
Yeah.
dear.
Yeah, actually just sit down.
No, I'm okay.
Can't.
I will probably just be humble like Harry. So let's see.
So I guess if you two don't want to, I'll take the opportunity.
No. Okay.
Thank you very much. So this question is about regular polygons.
So we add the interior angle.
If you're gonna do it, then just sit down and do it.
Okay. I got this. Yeah. Okay, so
Harry, why do you have the solution?
I'm
lack of integrity.
360. Oh my days, no.
I'll explain it.
180 minus
Sit down, bro. Sit
360
Don't-
over
Not in the
P.
camera.
Oh my, I don't want to be in the camera. I don't like. Okay. I don't like it. Okay.
Digital.
And then if we can do the same for all of these is equal to 360. So can you like check chat to make sure I'm not doing anything too stupid?
Check chat.
Yeah.
No, chat is good.
I feel like I'm being really dumb.
Have some self-confidence, Cole. No, fair play. It's actually what you do.
Oh my days. It's hot. Oh. Okay.
Top tip. The camera's like over here.
Yeah, but I don't want to be in the camera. That's the point. No. Oh. You mean okay? Sorry.
That means they can't see what you're writing.
Okay.
No, the camera's up here, so you want to like do it like around here.
What is? Okay, sure. Okay. So, we get that this is equal to
Harry.
minus 180, and we can simplify that again. From here, From here, what do? From here, we can consider
Wait. So you get 1 over p plus 1 over m plus 1 over n equals to a half.
Yeah. Is it a number theory problem from here?
Okay. So one thing we have to do is to make sure
Where is
I didn't see make sure P is like at the P on.
Can we please stick to tasks? Oh, Alexander Isaac is in chat. Alexander Isaac.
Oh, Isaac.
He says, Oli Kong, I love you. So you might get.
Who is Isaac?
No, okay. Barack.
Yeah, wait, check.
What? Okay. Do we cook some number theory stuff up here?
So we want to find the largest possible value of p, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait.
Oh, we want the angle of P to be as close to 180 as possible.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
So Bishop Bash.
Wait. Can we? Do we take P to be 180 first, or do we consider M and N first? What do you think, Barack?
So I'll give my input.
Okay.
I'll give my input.
Do we consider like
So
M and N can be closest? How M and N can be closest to?
So Kong has called in the number theory expert. Right here.
Yes.
So when we have something like this and we want to maximize P, okay. So let's just assume without loss of generality that P is greater than or equal to M, and that's greater than or equal to M.
Yes.
So that means that 1 over P is less than or equal to 1 over M, which is less than or equal to 1 over M.
Yes.
Now, here's the thing. 1 over P plus 1 over M plus 1 over N is less than or equal to 1 over N plus 1 over N plus 1 over N, which is 3 over N, which equals to, which is, well, actually I should say a half.
Yeah, so I clocked the bit that 3 over N must be greater or equal to a half.
Which means that N is less than or equal to 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's split into cases. Let's say N equals to 6, because that's easy.
Yeah.
What happens if N equals to 6?
Then we get M.
Harry, can we have chat up, please?
Then we get 1 over M plus 1 over P is equal to a third. And
well, I mean, this is quite straightforward because 1 over M is at most a sec, and 1 over P is at most a sec.
If you write out the values,
oh, and all of them together are. So they're all
write out these four.
They're all 1/6. So
there's 2 other close.
yeah, they're all 1/6.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Harry, if you wanted to explain it, you should have taken the opportunity earlier. Okay, so that's a possibility. Obviously, P isn't as large as we want it to be here. Okay, what if N equals to 5? Well, if N equals to 5, then we have 1 over P plus 1 over M equals to 3 over 10. So we want to make M as small as possible, I'm assuming.
Mm-hmm.
And why do you assume that?
Why do I assume that? Because if we want this to be as small as possible, we want this to be as big as possible, right? So we want M to be as big as possible, or as small as possible.
Yeah.
So even if we take M to be equal to 6, or 5. Yeah, 5. Even if M equals to 5, then that means that P equals to 10. And if M is greater than 5, then P is less than 10. Okay, so the maximum here is P equals to 10. Then do you see how we go about doing this?
Yeah.
Well done, Harry. It's not like you looked up any answers.
Wait, what? Did he look up solutions? Oh my days. Bro, this guy's actually such a fraud.
Okay. Now, what if n equals to 4? That means 1 over...
Exposed on 4K.
But this is probably, I mean, I can... Wait, how far are you into the question?
I'm not...
I'm really there.
Billington questions have been used before. Literally. Oh my days.
Wait, are you actually doing the Twitter?
Yes.
Oh, the MS Forms.
Yeah.
Lock in? Okay. Well, if m equals to 4, then that means p equals to... Okay, m can't equal to 4. So if m equals to 5, p equals to infinity. No. M equals to 5, then p equals to 20. And if m is greater than 5, then p is less than 20.
Okay, cool. Well, can you shut up so I can hear? Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with Ty.
Yeah, Odin Kong, shut up.
Okay. So that leaves n equals to 3. And in this case, 1 over p plus 1 over m is a half minus a third, which is a 6. And in order to make p as big as possible, we want to make m as small as possible. So we know from this equation that m is greater than 6. So the largest possible value of m is 7. And if m is 7, then that means p is 42. So I'll just say if m equals to 7, then that means p equals to 42. If m is greater than 7, p is less than 42. So our biggest values in this case is p equals to 6 when n equals to 6, p equals to 10 when n equals to 5, p equals to 20 when n equals to 4, and p equals to 42 when n equals to 3. Which means that the correct answer is C. Harry, would you like to have any inputs to that? Anything to add to that?
I agree with Brack's solution. I got 42 as well.
Great. How did you get 42?
I mean, my method was one angle of the p-gon has to be as close to 180 as possible.
Just to show the process.
So
yeah.
Or because surely you can just go straight to n equals 3.
So not
because it's the small, it's the smallest. Like
not necessarily, because if you think about it, you like a smaller value of n means that m has to be bigger, right?
Yeah.
There could be a higher value of n, which allows you to have a smaller value of m, which allows you to have a bigger value of p.
Oh, I mean,
if you think about it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Question 24. Kong, as the.
Can I do this?
What question do you want me to do?
What question should you do? I think you should go to question 18 because I seem to get that wrong every year.
Don't switch tabs, Harry. Don't switch
question
tabs.
18. Just
question 18. Harry, would you like to explain question 18?
Just let me read the question.
I thought you did this paper before. You said you did the last 15 years.
15 is crazy. I can't lie. Fair enough, bro.
Yeah, fair enough. Blood's grinded more than I have.
Me?
Yeah.
You grind SMC?
Have I? Not really.
Bro, I've never seen Brad grinding SMC.
Okay, that's a circle. It's a bad circle, but that's okay. Have their centers at...
I mean, for most people, the papers that they grind are the papers that I've done before.
So one of the circles is here. And another big circle is here, right? This is right.
Wait. Yeah. Wait.
I'm almost there. Okay. So this line is 5. Since this radius is 2, we know that this radius is 3. And the big one, that's 2 as well. So it's 3, 7,
Why are you speaking so quiet?
You can like explain it like in more detail.
Okay, so it's actually a very useful fact, guys. That if you have circles that are tangents and you draw, if you have circles that touch each other, if you draw the line between their centers, they'll go through the point at which they touch. Don't you agree that this is a very useful tech? Yeah. So, Con, what question do you want to go through next?
Wait, this is actually so far behind. Harry's just started drawing the thing on my screen.
Yeah, probably.
No, it's almost done. I like skipped it forward.
How about we go for a cheeky 21?
21. Ooh, this is a number theory question. So, yeah, I'll do 21. Shit, why is this actually hard?
I can do this.
Why is this actually hard?
I can do this.
Why is this actually hard?
Bro, it's not hard. I can do this question. You actually tricked me.
Okay,
wait, just let me draw it out first. I can basically do this.
Yeah. Okay, we'll let Harry do this.
Right?
Yep.
Time.
Yep.
Okay. So, if we write out the number, it would be 1, 0, 0, 0. So that's 2000 and... Okay. So, since we have to times this out, so this one times by the same number. So the sum of digits here, so you add up to 5. Okay, so the 5 times by 2, it's 10, 5 times by 2 again, it's another 10, 5 times by 1 is 5, and 10 plus 10 equals 25. And we know that there's no overlaps, as the maximum on one digit is 4. So nothing overlaps. So the maximum here. Wait. You're probably like here. It's 25.
25.
Final solution.
25. We will see if that is right. Yeah, we'll see if that's right.
Overcock. I destroyed myself.
What? What do I do?
Okay. I think at this point,
Okay, can you go through 24? Can you explain 24? I'm not too sure.
do you know how to do question 24? Why are you tapping me? Like,
shut up, just explain the question.
Okay, in the diagram shown, okay, I'm not good at geometry, as a disclaimer. So,
I'm on the stream, I'm watching the stream.
Okay, Harry's now watching the stream. In the diagram shown, M is the midpoint of PQ. The line PS bisects RPQ. So it's always a good idea, guys, to label these angles. And intersects RQ at S. The line ST is parallel to PR and intersects PQ at T. The length of PQ is 12 and the length of MT is 1. The angle SQT is 120. What is the length SQ? So here, we use the fact about parallel lines. Is that if two lines are parallel, then this angle equals to this angle. So we can use that here. PR, the line ST is parallel to PR, so this angle is also equal to those two angles, which means that we have an isosceles triangle here, so we have PT equals to TS. Very nice.
Same angle. But how do you know that PST is equal to the same angle? PST is equal to SPT.
Because SPT equals to RPS, and then if you,
okay,
if you want to ask a question, if you want to ask a question, speak loudly so they can hear you.
Yeah,
They can hear you. Okay. So PT equals to TS. What is PT, by the way? We know PQ is 12, so MQ is 6 because it's halfway.
Okay. PM is 6 as well.
MT is 1, so TQ is 5, so PT is 7, so TS is 7. TSPM. So what we have is we have something like this, where we have 7, 5, 120. Yeah.
Oh, we could just use the. Fine. I'll write it out first, and then I'll explain the question.
Now I'm just thinking. No, I won't aura farm today. Wait, could I? Wait, chat, hear me out. If you have this triangle, you can kind of draw this, right? You can draw this. This is 60 degrees. This is a right angle. If this is x, if you draw this equilateral triangle here, then this is x over 2. Ooh, that's kind of tough, you know. That's kind of tough. And then we have x root 3 over 2. Ooh, so now we can use some Pythagoras. Oh yes. Okay, well, you used the cos rule, so that's just like negative aura.
What do you mean cos rule is negative aura?
Aura.
Cos rule is simple.
That's negative aura.
Simple to use and very efficient.
Yeah. Unfortunately, throughout my years with Harry, I've not managed to convince him that cos rule sucks.
No aura.
So now we expand this. Now we expand this thing.
Negative aura.
To get 7. And this is actually very nice. You get x squared plus 5x minus 18. Huh?
We only have 5 viewers now.
Oh,
I have to go in like a few minutes for DOV.
what do you mean you have to go in a few minutes? Oh my god.
Do it with Kong, take my space.
Bro, you're on the thumbnail.
Kong, take my space.
You're on the thumbnail.
I'll be back by like 8:30.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Oh, this is 49.
Yeah,
Oh my god, I'm so bad.
so bad at math.
I'm so bad.
Oh, why is Barack so bad at math?
3 watching now, and 2 of them are me and Harry.
Oh, alright.
It's cooked.
Maybe you guys are just negative aura. But anyways, if you want to solve this equation, you just factorize it. This equals to 0. So one of these has to be equal to 0. So we get that, what? X equals to 3 or minus 8. And x can't be minus 8 because you can't have negative lengths. So that gives us x equals to 3. There we go.
We can do question 23.
Question 23.
Let me read the question.
A function satisfies y cubed f of x equals to x cubed f of y. Oh, Harry.
Thank you, new viewers, for coming.
Oh. And f of 3 is not equal to 0. What is the value of f of 20 minus f of 2 over f of 3? Oh, this is a tough one. How would I do this? I think I'd substitute x equals to 1. Right? If you substitute x equals to 1, then you get f of y equals
I
to.
would do it as like.
I don't care. No. Go.
I'm gonna explain it. So let's see, 3 cubed.
Oh yeah, that's true. Shit.
20 cubed f3.
Okay, so you get this, right? Which gives you a nice relationship to get f of y as a constant times y cubed. Which means f of 20 equals to f of 120 cubed. Oh wait, this just works. Chat, SMC is a fucking joke, bro. It's nice. I can't believe there's people who take SMC 3 times and don't qualify any time. Nah, I'm just joking. You know, for the first 3 years that I did SMC, I didn't qualify. So it's okay.
There were year 4, 5, and 6 respectively.
No, year 3, 4, 5.
No, I think it's year 5, 6, 7.
Bro had to add in that joke.
No. I actually started in year 5. But I didn't even intend on. Normally, I intend on making the joke. I didn't even intend. When was the last time I made a 6, 7 joke?
Every day. You definitely made one today.
I've not made one this week. I've not made one this week.
Lose viewers for this.
We got 6 watching. We got one more.
No, I'm not gonna say it. Okay, so f of 20 minus f of 2 over f of 3. This equals to f of 1 times 20 cubed minus 2 cubed over f of 1 times 3 cubed, which equals to 20 cubed minus 2 cubed over 3 cubed, which equals okay, I'll just 296 according to Harry.
That's D.
So that's D's nuts. Okay, great. Oh, question 20 looks cool. Question. You have to go.
Yeah. I'll be back later.
Bro, I've lost access to chat. Come, can you use yourself as the chat?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
I mean, I can't type.
I'll come back at like
8:30.
Fine.
But like, I'm doing other work, so just tell me to put it up whenever I'm ready.
Chat, there's 2 watching.
Oh, it's me and someone else.
Okay, let's do question 20.
Okay, give me a go at this. What's Q20?
Yeah. Come on, take the stage.
Okay, real numbers X and Y. Okay, so we know that.
Maybe zoom in a bit.
Okay, so we know that. Hello. What is it cooking? Okay, we know that 3 to the 2x times 3 to the y is 3 root 3. So we know 3 to the 2x is plus y is equal to what? I guess 3 to the power of 3 over 2.
Oh, we didn't get any log questions in the test today.
So 2x plus y is equal to 3 over 2. Okay. And then 4 to the y. Okay, I'll put that in 2 actually. 2 to the 2y is equal to. We can separate this out. So 1 over 8 times root 2 to the x over 2. So x plus 2.
So right here comes from the classic mistake.
Yeah, just yeah. Okay. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
I don't think Harry Shan made those kind of mistakes.
Yeah, Harry Shan probably didn't make those kind of mistakes. I'm just not cracked like Harry. So we should be able to get a reasonably decent expression here. So so it would just be minus this x plus 2 here. So yeah.
I seem a bit concerned. What happened to the square root? Why is it minus 2?
Wait, is it?
Oh no, yeah, it is.
So yeah, we just end up having a pair of simultaneous equations, basically.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So let's hopefully try and solve, question mark.
You can rub out like this if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, just rub it out. Yep. Just bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bro, I actually have loads of Twitter time to do. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, why are you doing this?
This is so beneficial for me.
Okay. So, well, let's just substitute. So, x equals minus 4y minus 8, and sub into there. So, minus 8y minus 16 plus y is equal to 3 over 2. I feel like there's definitely something wrong here, but
I know, I don't think
so. We'll see when as we go along. 35 over 2. So y equals to minus 5 over 2. Okay. Well, let's find x now. So minus 10 is equal to minus x minus 8. X is equal to 2.
What does the question ask?
So it's asking what's 5 to the x plus y. So I mean we can 5 to 2 minus 5 over 2 is equal to 5 to the minus a half. So that's just 1 over lol. 1 over. To be fair, he's not wrong.
Bro, no. That 1 above.
No. What?
Do you know who SLX is?
No.
Shaolin.
Oh. Bro, that's crazy. We got Shaolin on the stream.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, how many people are watching? 5. Okay.
Wait.
We bounced back. Bro, you're good for engagement, man. You're good for engagement.
Wow. I'm just a goat like that.
Okay, so we've done all of these questions. 22 looks hella cringe. 19 looks hella cringe. We did 18. 17. 17 is the logical next question to do.
Okay.
Because all the other questions are terrible. Actually, no, 16 looks cool. Should I do 16? Blood, have you not finished? Okay, whatever.
No, because I've been like popping over to.
Yeah, that's true.
To do SMC.
So notice that you can add 1 to both sides. Right here to get y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So you get plus minus y plus 1 equals to plus minus, or y minus 1 I mean, equals plus minus x plus 1. Now, if they're both plus and they're both minus, they're the same. And if one's plus and one's minus, and the other, plus minus and minus plus are the same. So we essentially have 2 lines. We have y plus minus 1 equals to x plus 1, and y minus 1 equals to minus x minus 1. And in this case, we have y equals to minus x. So we either have y equals to x plus 2, or y equals to minus x. And x plus 2 looks something like this, and so the intercepts is on the y coordinates is y equals to 2 and y equals to 0. Wait, is there a catch? Is there a catch? Am I getting trolled? Am I getting trolled? Does this always work? B looks so wrong though. B looks hella wrong. Okay, I'm gonna say E. But something about me just like is there something I'm missing? Is there something I'm missing?
Yeah, probably.
If y equals to minus x, then that works. That always works. If y equals to... Okay. I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to put E, move on, end of story. Can we get chat out, please?
Can we get chat out?
Do 16. Do 16.
Yeah, do 16.
I just did 16.
Yeah, okay. Do we have any more suggestions after 16?
Yeah, any more suggestions?
From the 2 other viewers, apart from me.
Let's do... Why are all of these so, like, bad? Oh. What's the value of K? So here we can use something called Legendre's theorem, which is that V2 of n factorial equals to...
I feel like someone talked about Legendre's theorem, like, in some lesson.
It was either Boydell or me.
Oh. Fine, maybe.
Dot dot dot, where this means the floor. And here, if we plug n in, you get this. Very cool, very easy. Notice that when we go to higher powers of 2, we're doing 16 over 32 and onwards, and all of these are 0. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8, so we get 15. Okay, no one understood that, so I'm actually I'm gonna explain it in a different way. So essentially, we want to find the number of factors of 2 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And a number like 4, for example, it's contributing 2 factors of 4. So I'll put a dot here. The number 2 is contributing 1 factor of 2. The number 6 is contributing 1 factor of 2. The number of 8 is contributing 3 factors of 2. You can see how this kind of works. And each dot represents a factor of 2. Now, if you think about it, if you look on this row, there's a dot here if a number is a multiple of 2. And how many numbers are multiples of 2? Why are you nodding? How many numbers are multiples of 2?
Affirmation.
16 over 2 equals to 8. So there's 8 multiples of 2 from 1 to 16. Now, what about this row? There's a dot in this second row if the number is a multiple of 4. And there's 4 multiples of 4. There's 2 multiples of 8 in the third row, and there's 1 multiple of 16. So that's the derivation of Legendre's theorem. So yeah, I hope that was instructive. Oh, Imus. Oh, Imus, the deepest, from the deepest seat.
Can we stick on topic, please?
Bro, you're
Stick to maths.
blood. Okay.
Well, I'm not the one running the stream here. Neither am I the thumbnail, but the thumbnail has disappeared.
Some people are Teams chatting me. I'm loving the line. Join stream, please. Okay. Wait, can I see chat? How many people are watching? Have I lost all attention?
You got 3. Do 17.
Do 17.
Wait, okay. 4.
Okay, 17. 17 is actually a more tolerable question.
This doesn't look too bad.
Essentially, this thing, right, is less than 3. It's definitely less than 3. So, M has to be 5. So it's like, if you want to do 17 divided by 3, you get remainder 2. You get remainder 2. Remainder 2, and M is 5. Great. So m equals to 5.
How have you gotten that?
Because if you think about it, like this thing has to be less than 3.
Yes.
Yeah. So this thing's integer. So 3 over m plus 1 over p is an integer less than 3.
Yeah.
So it's essentially saying if you divide 17 over 3, what's the remainder?
Oh, okay, got it.
So the remainder is 2. So we have 3 over n plus 1 over p equals to 2. So n plus 1 over p equals to 3 over 2. We do the same thing, kind of. N is the integer part of the number. 1 over p is the fractional part of the number. So n equals to 1. 1 over p equals to 1 over 2. So p equals to 2. There we go. Very, very, very simple. Why are these questions so hard?
I can't lie. I'd be expanding in the real SMC.
By the way, for this SMC, I was 1 mark off BMO1 when I did it. It's very sad.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Like on Dr. Frost, or?
No, in 2020.
Oh.
It was very
There's 2 people watching now, me and someone else.
Yeah, it's because Harry left. As soon as Harry left.
I think it's as soon as I got out the screen. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to get back on the screen.
Do I do Geo? Oh, I don't want to do Geo, bro. Okay, fine. We'll do Geo. We'll do Geo. Shaded area, blah blah blah. Radius 3, easy. Just put the center. Tangent 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is 3. This is 3. So it's basically this quadrilateral plus this thing. Shit.
Are you doing this one?
Actually, let me just zoom in. Okay, you draw in center. You have radiuses. These are 90 degrees. This is 120 degrees. This is 240 degrees. The area of this bit, right, is 3 squared pi times 240 over 360, which equals to 6 pi. The area of this quadrilateral here, is equal to 2 times this triangle. If you have this triangle, which is 60 and 30, the bottom is 3. If you do some trig, this is 3 root 3. There's 2 of these, so you don't even have to divide 2. 2 of these triangles. Area is 9 root 3, so it's 6 pi plus 9 root 3.
It's a pretty consuming Q15.
What do you mean pretty consuming?
Time consuming Q15. That takes like multiple minutes.
I did it in like 1 minute.
Yeah, but then like mortal human beings take a few minutes.
No.
Yes. No. Well, yeah.
By the way, according to Dr. Ronaldson, how you're supposed to do the SMC is for the first 15 questions, you spend 2 minutes, so that's half an hour.
Yeah. For
the next 5 questions, you spend 4 minutes, so that's 20 minutes. And then for the last 5 questions, you spend 8 minutes. So in total, that adds up to 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the pace you want to be on.
Last 5 questions, 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Just think about it. So if you're I recommend.
That's if you're trying to get 4 marks.
I actually recommend working backwards.
That's if you're trying to get 4 marks.
Yeah. So if you work backwards, that's actually good, because if you're on question 20 and you've spent less than 40 minutes, then you're on pace.
But if you just go like from the top, you'd rather waste your time, or you'd rather get stuck and like run out of time whilst you're on hard questions than whilst zooming through easy questions. You'd rather run out of time doing hard questions than easy questions.
Bro, if I get any questions wrong, you know Harry Shan's gonna be clowning.
Yeah, but like, Bragg, the advice wasn't specifically for you. Because like, surely you can do SMC however you want. Like you could do it like in triangular numbers, and then and then add one. Like you could go 1, 3, 6, 10, and so on, and then 2, whatever. You can do it however you want, but like.
Okay. What questions? What questions do we do, guys?
Again, there's one other person, so Guy, Guy singular, and
Guy.
And we haven't had a chat for a while, so.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Maybe when Harry gets back. Okay. Let's do question. Actually, let's just get this done with. Question 5. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? This is very obviously B. No, not B. C. You see this 5? That means it's 5 ones. Easy peasy. Okay. No comments. If you wanted to, actually, if you don't know how to do this, you consider 10,000 squared. This has 8 digits. Okay. Or 9 digits. So it's more than 10,000, but it's less than 100,000. So the only possible value is C. This is why you can use a bit of multiple choice stuff to your advantage. Yes. There's actually lots of tricks to guessing. Like you can use multiple choices to save time. There are fewer than 30 students in the A-level mathematics class. 1/2 of them play the piano, 1/4 of them play the hockey, and 1/7 are in the school play. So this is obviously a question about saying a number is multiple by 4 and by 7. So if a number is a multiple of 4 and a multiple of 7, then it's a multiple of 28. There's less than 30 students, so there's 28 people. So that means 4 of them play hockey.
With Dr. Ronaldson's advice, how are you meant to spend the same amount of question 1 as question 15? Or 14?
Well, it's like an average, right? It's like
yeah, sure, but like surely it's just do like first 5 is like max 1 minute, and then like next 5 max 2 minutes, next 5 max 3 minutes.
How about every question max 1 minute, bro? Then you can just leave an hour early.
Yeah.
Get an hour of sleep.
Okay, Brad, I want to see your hands up in the air at 30 minutes and not do anything else.
Bro, Ronaldson's gonna crash out, bro. Involving teapots. The percentage reduction 445 to 47. 47 is roughly 45, which is a fifth of 2025. So I'm guessing the answer is 80%. There we go. What's the largest prime factor of this? You do difference of 2 squares. This equals to 121 times 91, which equals to 7 times 11 squared times 13. So the largest prime factor is 13. You see how quickly you can do this. I'm not even spending a minute per question. Right. Drive reduction system provided the car was within 1 second of the car ahead. Suppose that 2 cars were 1 second apart, each traveling at 180 kilometers per hour. It's actually a very, very well-known fact that in order to convert meters per second to kilometers per hour, you multiply by 3.6. So if you have 180 kilometers per hour, you have 50 meters per second, which means it's 50 meters per second. Okay, there we go. 6 friends, PQRSTU, stand in line for a photograph. There are 3 people standing between Pat and Kasim, 2 between Kasim and Roman, and 1 between Roman and Sam. Sam is not at either end of the line. Wait, let me just read that again. 3 people between Pat and Kasim. So Pat is either boom, 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 or boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's either one of these. 2 people between Kasim and Roman, and 1.
Sherlock's telling you to wrap it up.
Don't listen to this hater.
Yeah, I'm the hater.
Right, okay. So, Sam is not at either end of the line. Okay, because of the symmetry. Wait, what if you have like P dot 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 Q, and that means R is here. That means S is here. So T and U are here. Okay. That's a valid construction, so I don't really care. C equals to 2. Wait, what happened, bro? Whoops. Okay, we have this yap about what? No, that's so cringe. They worked out my answers. Luckily, it's not that hard to just circle these answers. 2. Okay. Two congruent pentagons are each formed by removing a right-angled isosceles triangle from a square of side length 1. The two pentagons are then fitted together as shown. What is the length of the perimeter of the octagon formed? Okay. Side length 1, which means this length, is 1 over root 2 by Pythagoras, which means this is 1 minus 1 over root 2. This is 1 over root 2. This is 1 over root 2. This is 1. This is 1 minus 1 over root 2. So these all cancel out. So this is 2 plus 3 equals to 5. There we go. Actually, I should explain that more carefully. But essentially, if you think about it, this length represents this length. This length represents this length. Which means... Wait a minute. I'm tweaking. It's not 5, it's 6. You see, this is why you check your answers, because I just made a mistake and I'm a dumb person. Yeah, this goes to here, this goes to here, which basically means that the perimeter is equal to this plus this, which is 6. Great, a 3-piece suit consists of a jacket, a pair of trousers, and a waistcoat. 2 jackets and 3 pairs of trousers cost $3.80. A pair of trousers costs the same as 2 waistcoats. So T equals to 2W.
T apogee is equal to...
Yeah, Sibal, bro. Sibal. I don't want to hear the word apogee ever again, bro.
Do you not like V apogee?
V apogee. J plus T plus W. Oh, I see. If you have two jackets plus 3 trousers is $3.80. What you can do is you can subtract trousers, but add 2 waistcoats, and you're adding 0 here because a trouser is worth the same as 2 waistcoats to get $3.80, which means you have 2J plus 2T plus 2W equals to $3.80. So you halve it and you get J plus T plus W equals $1.90. That took me kind of long, bro.
Which question?
Question 12.
Have you considered V apogee?
SYBAU.
Apogee.
Yeah, Sibal apogee. This is E, by the way. The ant has 5 identical blue discs, 2 identical red discs, and 1 yellow discs. The 2 red discs are not to be placed in cells that share a common edge. Okay, so it's about where the red and yellow discs are. How many ways are there of placing red discs? So I'm thinking if you place the red disc here, this is like, if you place a red disc here, there's 5 other places to place the red disc. So we'll do 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. You add them all up. 20 plus 16 equals 36. Divided by 2 because we're double counting, so we get 18. 18 times by 6 places to put the yellow disc, so that's 108. Yo, Harry's not even back yet. Where is Harry? I'm doing all the easy questions because it would be an insult to Harry for him to do them. I don't want him to be bored. Wait, we only have 2 questions left.
Oh.
Shit.
You can't swear.
No, I can.
Wait, what? You can swear?
Yeah.
Wait, since when is your channel not like PG?
Since when I turned 16. No. Yeah. No, you're always allowed to swear. It's just that sometimes you would get demonetized. Just push your porn, bro.
Bro, stop. Don't talk to me. Like, focus on the channel. Oh, God.
Okay, question 19. The letters P, Q, R, S, T represent different positive single-digit numbers, such as P minus Q equals to R and R minus S equals to T. How many values could T take? Probably a lot. Bro, this question has to piss me off so much. It's actually so bad. 72541, 72514, 9. Oh my god. 91826. Yeah, you can't get more than 6 because T equals to P minus Q minus S, and the maximum is 9 minus 1 minus 2, which is 6. So I'm assuming you can get everything else. 91853, yeah, 91835, yeah, easy, 6. And question 22, what's the perimeter? The perimeter is 4 centimeters, and that can be cut into 2 congruent right angle triangles. And 2 congruent trapezium as shown in the first diagram in such a way that the 4 pieces can be rearranged to form. Okay. Wait, if this is AB, then this is B minus A. Wait a minute. The square's perimeter 4, so it's A, like 1 minus A, 1 A, 1 minus A, so 2 minus A. So I guess if we use similar triangles, 1 over A equals to 2 minus A over this length. So A times 2 minus A is this longer length. Wait, but this shorter length is A. So A times 2 minus A plus 1. A times 3 minus A equals to 1. Wait a minute. I think something is sus. A times 3 minus A equals to 1. Why am I spending so long on this question? It's kind of a throw, can't lie. Wait, what is the perimeter of the triangle? A times 2 minus A. So 8 plus 1, 2 minus A. So it's 2 plus A minus A squared. Yeah, I actually genuinely think I'm doing something wrong here. I'm definitely doing something wrong. Plus root 5. The fact that there's a root 5 kind of makes me feel a little bit better. Over 2. No, it's actually minus root 5. 3 minus root 5 over 2. Wait, what do we know? We know 3a minus a squared equals to 1. So it's 1, it's 3. Wait, minus 2. What? 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 I'm actually tweaking so hard. Whoa. I need to stop tweaking. Equals to what? 3 minus 2a. Oh no, it's root 5. Okay, it's 2 root 5. Yeah, so a actually turns out to be 3 minus root 5 over 2. And then you can do some calcs. Yep. Great, okay, that's all the questions. Let's check the answers. Bro, my enthusiasm just fades when Harry's not here, bro.
Facts.
Why is this not working? Oh my god.
I'm so bad at this game. I just want to like die right now.
Ooh.
If you force a queen trade your gate, oh my god, it's gay.
Yeah, so it's DCA. DCA BCED. Oh, whoops. I read the question wrong. I got question 6 wrong.
Oh, no, okay. SMC looking great.
Yeah. Bro, I'm actually getting cooked, bro. Just like throw the whole thing away. Throw the whole thing away. CEB. Yeah, guys, this is your reminder to read the question. Wait, what question? 13. DBAE. Oh yeah, okay, I wasn't tweaking. I was not tweaking. DBAE.
You didn't tweak, how'd you get it wrong?
No, on a different question.
Oh.
AE. Wait. CADBC. Yeah, okay. Damn, I got every question from question 6. Why Harry Morgan chat?
Facts. If Harry was in the stream, he would relate.
Right, okay.